Driving at night isn't just about turning on the lights and slowing down. When everything around you sinks into darkness, your field of vision narrows, headlights become blinding, and your body gets tired. 1 second of lost focus can lead to an accident. But what's even scarier is that most drivers still don't realize they're making the most dangerous mistakes when driving at night. This video will point out 15 common mistakes that put your safety at risk in the dark, and how to avoid them so you stay in control, alert, and get home safely after every nighttime trip. This video was made to help you become a better driver, so don't hesitate to hit that like button. 1. Not turning on fog lights to improve visibility. Many people think fog lights are only for thick fog, so they almost never use them. But in reality, fog lights are an extremely effective tool when driving at night. Their light sits low, spreads wide, and evenly covers the road surface, helping you clearly see lane markings, potholes, obstacles, or small animals on the road, things that regular headlights often miss. When driving on highways or rural roads with few streetlights, relying only on headlights can sometimes create a broken field of vision. The light shoots far ahead, while the area right in front of the hood stays dim and shadowy, forcing your eyes to constantly adjust between bright and dark. Fog lights fill in that gap, improving visibility of the entire area close to the vehicle without blinding oncoming drivers. 2. Not paying attention to animals crossing the road. When driving at night, many people only focus on the vehicle ahead and forget about the sudden dark shapes on both sides of the road. Wild animals or pets crossing? In rural areas or on forested roads, deer, elk, or even dogs and cats can dart out into the road without warning. The problem is that human eyes react slower at night, so by the time you see them, there's almost no distance left to brake. Many serious accidents start simply because the driver swerved to avoid a small animal. When you jerk the wheel at 60 miles per hour, the car can easily skid sideways, flip, or veer off the road. The correct way to handle it is to slow down and brake straight. Do not swerve sharply. If possible, switch to low beams to avoid blinding others, and use fog lights to clearly see the area close to the road surface, where animals usually appear. 3. Not regularly cleaning and checking the windshield. The windshield is the driver's eyes, yet many people leave it foggy, dirty, scratched, or covered in dust, oil, and dead insects. During the day, the problem might not be obvious, but at night, every tiny smudge turns into a source of blinding glare that's extremely dangerous. When headlights from oncoming vehicles shine in, those small marks reflect the light, making your vision blur as if covered by a layer of mist. Many drivers only wipe the outside casually, while the inside surface is where moisture, hand oil, or interior dust builds up. Over time, this layer creates a haze that severely reduces nighttime visibility. On top of that, old wiper blades with hardened rubber are culprits that scratch the glass. Every time you run the wipers on a dry windshield, you accidentally leave hundreds of tiny scratches, and when headlights hit them, they flash like lightning right in front of your face. The solution is very simple. Clean the windshield with a dedicated cleaner at least once a week, both inside and out. Check the wipers and replace them if they're torn or make a squeaky sound when operating. In cold weather, turn on the defroster before driving to prevent condensation. 4. Not using anti-reflective glasses when driving at night. Many people wear prescription glasses or regular sunglasses every day, but they don't realize that ordinary lenses reflect light, making nighttime driving even more dangerous. When headlights from oncoming vehicles shine directly in, the lens reflects the light and creates a hazy halo in front of your eyes. Your eyes have to strain to adjust, pupils constantly contracting and expanding, leading to soreness, fatigue, and reduced reaction time. Anti-reflective glasses have a special coating that absorbs light instead of reflecting it, thereby reducing glare, increasing contrast, and helping you see the road, signs, pedestrians, or obstacles farther away. The clearest difference is when you're on the highway at night. No more blurred light, no more starbursts around oncoming headlights. Many people think sunglasses are enough, but that's a mistake. Sunglasses reduce the light entering your eyes, making already poor nighttime vision even worse. Anti-reflective glasses don't darken the environment. They help your eyes function naturally in low-light conditions. 5. Driving alone without a co-pilot. Driving at night by yourself is no small challenge. Your body gets tired, your eyes strain, your brain wants to sleep, and there's no one to snap you out of it when you start losing focus. Many accidents happen just because the driver nods off for a few seconds, enough time for the car to drift into oncoming traffic or slam into a median. Some people think, I can handle it, but drowsy driving is as dangerous as driving drunk. Having someone in the passenger seat can make a huge difference. They can chat lightly to keep you awake, answer your phone, adjust the GPS, change the music, or simply watch the road ahead with an extra pair of eyes. On long trips, one more set of eyes is one more layer of safety. If you feel tired, you can switch drivers and rest a few minutes without forcing yourself to push through. If you absolutely have to go alone, plan ahead. Stop every 2 hours, play music at a moderate volume, and crack the window for fresh air. But remember, nothing beats having a co-pilot, especially when the road ahead is nothing but faint yellow headlights and the sound of tires on asphalt. Like if you think a lot of people need to hear this. 6. Dashboard too bright, causing glare. At night, many drivers leave the dashboard glowing bright because it looks cool or is easier to read, but they don't realize that light is what tires their eyes and cuts down road visibility. When you glance from a bright area inside the car to pitch black outside, your eyes need several seconds to readjust. At 60 miles per hour, that's nearly 300 feet of driving while you're basically temporarily blind. Blue or white light from the instrument cluster, phone, or tablet also reflects inside your eyes, shrinking your pupils and blurring distant vision. That's why your eyes ache, road signs look fuzzy, or oncoming headlights seem extra blinding. The fix is simple. Dim the dashboard to the lowest level you can still read and turn off any bright screens while driving. If your car has night mode, turn it on. It softens interior lighting so your eyes adapt faster. Sometimes dropping just a couple of brightness levels makes all the difference. The road looks clearer, your eyes feel better, and you react faster. 7. Not using GPS to plan the route ahead. At night, everything looks the same. Unfamiliar curves, faded signs, hidden turnoffs. Not using GPS before you start is one of the mistakes that leaves drivers confused and distracted. When visibility is already low, trying to drive and navigate at the same time is gambling with your own reaction time. Many drivers open the map only when they reach an intersection, look down at the screen, then look up to find the car ahead braking hard or the turn already missed. During the day, you can glance around, but at night, weak light and reflections make that far riskier. GPS doesn't just give directions. It warns you early about upcoming curves, speed limits, or construction zones, so you can prepare instead of reacting at the last second. Before you leave, enter the full address, review the route, and mount the device at eye level. If possible, use voice guidance so you never have to look down. A few minutes of prep buys you an entire trip without straining to find your way in the dark. 8. Passing trucks or large vehicles in dark areas. Passing a semi-truck or big rig at night is a situation many drivers misjudge. Those massive vehicles are 3 or even 4 times longer than your car, and their lighting works very differently. If you tail too close, your headlights get blocked and you can't see anything ahead. If you try to pass in a dark stretch, you have no idea if there's a curve, pothole, or oncoming traffic. Reflectors or marker lights help you guess the size, but they don't tell you the real length. Plenty of crashes happen because a driver thinks the truck is short, guns it to pass, then realizes there's still a long trailer behind. The simple rule: only pass when you can clearly see the entire road ahead. Use low beams so you don't blind the truck's mirrors, signal early, and keep a safe gap before pulling out. Once you're alongside the cab, don't cut back in right away. Wait until you can see enough of the truck's front end in your rearview mirror before merging. 9. Driving too fast in low-light conditions. At night, empty roads feel safer and more relaxing. So many drivers unconsciously speed up without realizing their visibility is cut in half. When light only reaches a few hundred feet ahead, any sudden obstacle, pedestrians, parked cars, or potholes, can appear too late to react. At 70 miles per hour, you cover nearly 100 feet per second. Just half a second late on the brakes costs you over 50 feet. Enough for a serious crash. The danger is that at night, human eyes take longer to identify objects in dark areas, especially after staring at headlights or bright signs. Higher speed means longer stopping distance, while reactions are slower, a perfect recipe for disaster. The fix is simple. Drop your speed at least 10 to 20 miles per hour below what you drive during the day. Keep extra following distance, use low beams in residential areas and high beams on empty roads, but switch back immediately when another vehicle approaches. Night driving isn't about proving your skills. It's about having enough light, enough slowness, and enough alertness to get home safe. 10. Not maintaining a safe following distance. At night, visibility drops and reactions slow, yet many drivers tailgate just like they do in daylight. They think leaving space means losing your spot, or worry someone will cut in. But in reality, with weak light and tired eyes, you need extra seconds to notice and respond. If the car ahead slams on the brakes, you don't just rear-end them. You could trigger a chain reaction pileup with vehicles behind you. The minimum rule is the 4-second rule at night. When the vehicle ahead passes a fixed point, you should reach it no sooner than 4 seconds later. In rain, fog, or slippery conditions, stretch it to 6 seconds. That gap won't slow you down much, but it creates a life-saving buffer for surprises. One more thing people overlook. Your headlights can shine directly into the car ahead's mirrors and blind them. So keeping distance doesn't just protect you, it helps the driver in front stay safe too. The less light at night, the more space you need. 11. Staring directly at oncoming headlights. Almost everyone has been temporarily blinded by an oncoming vehicle with high beams on. That intense light forces your eyes to take seconds to readjust to darkness. And in those seconds, you travel hundreds of feet with almost no control. Many drivers make the mistake of staring straight ahead to stay in their lane, but the more you look, the more dazzled you get, and your forward vision nearly disappears. When oncoming headlights hit you, lower your gaze slightly and look to the right side of the road. Focus on the white lane line or the edge to keep your direction. This small move shields your eyes from direct beams while still giving you a sense of where you're going. If light from behind bounces off your mirrors, flip them to night mode or tilt them slightly to cut glare. Most importantly, don't react emotionally. Some drivers get mad and flash high beams back to get even. That just blinds both of you for a split second. At night, even a brief flash can cause you to swerve or brake late. Stay calm, look away, and keep your rhythm. That's smart driving in the face of opposing light. 12. Dirty or misadjusted rearview mirrors. Rearview mirrors are your eyes in the back, yet many drivers leave them dusty, oily, or angled wrong without noticing. During the day, it's tolerable, but at night, a thin layer of grime turns every headlight behind you into a smeared, blinding mess across the glass. Your eyes constantly refocus, tire faster, and pull attention from the road ahead. Beyond cleanliness, mirror angle is critical. If the mirror points straight at your eyes, headlights from behind blast directly in, forcing you to squint. Adjust it slightly downward so you have to dip your head a bit to see clearly behind. This deflects the light away from your eyes. 13. Weak, misaligned, or foggy headlights. One big reason night driving feels dangerous is headlights that don't shine bright enough or point the right way. Many drivers keep going without realizing their light output has dropped by half, from dust, yellowing plastic, or bulbs simply aging. Dim headlights shorten your sight distance, forcing your eyes to work twice as hard, and half a second late on a reaction can mean a crash. Misaligned beams cause trouble for everyone. One side aims too high and blinds oncoming traffic. The other hits the ground right in front of you, leaving the road ahead dark. Plenty of drivers blame the windshield or their own vision, but often it's just a quick alignment fix. The easiest habit: check your headlights once a month. Wipe off dust or polish foggy lenses. At service time, ask the technician to realign the beams to factory specs. If bulbs are dim, replace them with brighter white ones. but stay within the correct wattage. 14. Not taking breaks on long nighttime drives. Driving for hours at night is a challenge no one should take lightly. Your body isn't at its sharpest, eyes get tired, reactions slow, and your brain fights constant drowsiness. Many think blasting music or chugging coffee is enough, but when you're truly fatigued, temporary fixes don't work. Just a few seconds of dozing off is all it takes for the car to veer out of the lane. At night, with empty roads, drivers easily slip into highway hypnosis. You're steering, but your mind is disconnected. That's when crashes happen. Remember, your eyes need a break after 2 to 3 hours of continuous driving. Pull over for 10 minutes, step out, stretch, splash water on your face, or grab a light snack. You'll feel noticeably sharper. For long trips, plan stops at rest areas or switch drivers. If you're tired, don't push just 10 more miles. Those could be the most dangerous. A safe power nap beats any cup of coffee. Night driving isn't about speed, it's about arriving in one piece. 15. Driving on narrow 2-lane roads with poor lighting. At night, narrow 2-lane roads carry far higher risks than highways. No median, few streetlights, sharp curves, and oncoming traffic with high beams all force you to strain to stay on course. Many choose back roads to save time or avoid traffic, but one vehicle crossing the center line or an animal darting out leaves almost no room to react. Narrow roads mean tight shoulders and zero margin for error. Drift half a tire off the pavement and you're in a ditch or into a guardrail. Local drivers who know the road often speed, catching unfamiliar drivers off guard. The best solution? Pick wider, well-lit routes with clear markings. If you must take the back road, slow down, turn on fog lights, and keep extra distance. When oncoming headlights appear, dip your beams and hug the right edge. Night driving demands more than skill. It requires preparation and full alertness. Every small detail, from mirrors, headlights, and windshield to speed and spacing, can mean the difference between safety and disaster. Drive slower, look farther ahead, rest when needed, and always control the light around you. Have you ever made similar mistakes? Share below.